What's up, yo? It's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life like the ancient king did. And like they say, there's nothing new under the sun, so you know what I mean? Wisdom has always been there, so we just gotta use it, right? So, just doing a little quick update on Gbpusd. As you can see, the US dollar, let me go to the 1 hour chart. The US dollar is now at my support zone. We're getting like a double bottom right here. I don't know if it's gonna push up from here, but still I gotta be cautious, so I kind of trailed my stops on Gbpusd. You see we getting these wick rejections over here right now, so we might get a reversal from this point. So let's see, let's go over to Gbpusd chart. As you can see right now, like this was my entry right here. Let me pull out the arrow. So this was my entry right here around 1.37952. I think that was my entry, and we up here right now. We're getting some wick rejection right here. I trailed my stop to this level here. I don't know if you can see that on the chart. Hold on 1 second. Let me make that bigger. Right, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's my alert right there. I set that as my that's my stop, my triggered stop alert. So when it hits that, it's gonna trigger alert for me. So yeah, we're getting a lot of wick rejections up here. We had this big push up, nice volume. We had this kind of, I guess, very encroaching candle, you know what I mean? Came all the way down halfway past, like, I guess 3/4 of the candle. So we have some selling pressure coming in here. Plus when we're trying to push up, the volume gets lower and we're getting wick rejections. So we got this hammer candle here on high volume, so buyers trying to come in a little bit to save the day, but we still kind of looking weak, because any kind of hammer candle in a push up in a uptrend is kind of suspect. Why is it selling off? So we got this reaction here, which was good, strong volume, but look at this, we got more volume here than we got here, and look at the size of this candle here compared to this candle. So if we got more volume, right, we should have a bigger candle, and we have a smaller candle, so all that is suspect. This is VPA 1-on-1, volume price analysis. So, and shout out to Anna Cooling. I read her book, Volume Price Analysis. You should get that. It's a really good book, and it shows you how volume correlates with price action and how you could read stuff. So as we see, we have this big wick rejection right here with more volume, right? So that's indicating there's a lot of selling pressure. So if I was a betting man, I guess like right now I'm doing this analysis, I'll probably trail my stop up to like this point here, just to safeguard my profit, because it's looking like it's going to come down. So hold on, let me do that right now. I'm gonna trail my stop to 1.38379. Right, I don't know if you heard that sound. That was on MetaTrader 4 when you like you update your stop loss and stuff like that. It makes that kind of sound. I don't know if you heard that, but this mic picks up everything, so hopefully you did. So like I'm not playing, I'm actually doing live trades, what I'm saying? I heard that some people, like, they kind of fake it on YouTube and act like they're doing real trades, but it's not. That's kind of crazy to me, man. Right, so that's my stop loss right now. We got these wick rejections happening here, so I'm safeguarding some profit. And if it takes me out and it pulls back a little bit, I'm gonna just enter the trade again, like later on when it holds support somewhere. Like if it comes back to like this area or this area here, this is major support right here. This is actually the volume pointer control line that oh, let me grab my arrow. This green line right here, that's the volume pointer control. So we had a lot of transactions here, like a lot of buys and sells. So you can see it in the price action as well. There was a lot of up and down movement right here, but very tight, you know what I'm saying? Like, well, it's congestion basically, you know. And this is part of my strategy too. That's why I entered the trade at the break of congestion, which I call the NyQuil. So it's a little play on words. So when I break congestion, I took the trade, but I kind of missed the actual break. But I guess I took the break of this candle right here, which was the high of the congestion, you know. So I let it push up, and when I saw it pull back a little bit here, I just took the trade right here. And you know, we took all of this right here. So we securing this profit at this point, 1.38379, I think. Yeah, 79. And hopefully it recovers and just pushes up, but you know, it's not looking good right now. You know, it's looking like it's gonna sell off. But you know, we in profit, baby, so we looking good. You know, I mean, this was a nice trade. Let's see how much pips we caught. If I get stopped out, let's see how much pips we caught. That was 42 pips if I get stopped out right now, and that's great. You know, I mean, we're doing good out here. So, you know, it's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And notice I didn't burp this time, you know what I'm saying? So maybe I'm getting better at speaking on the mic and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So blessings to y'all, man. You know what I mean? Stay safe.